What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Realme 11 Pro 5G smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, all of the accessories and stuff we got in this box, and we will talk about the design, build quality, features, hardware specs of the device and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here on the front side we got the 11 Pro branding, Realme branding, 5G branding. Here it says that the Realme is the fastest growing smartphone brand in Europe. On the back of the device we got some information that it comes with 120Hz curved vision display. It's got 100 megapixel Pro Light camera with optical image stabilization, 5000 mAh battery with 67 watt charging and MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G chipset. It comes with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and the color variant we got is black. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. Dare to leap. Welcome to Realme family. So here we got some quick start guide, warranty card, etc. A SIM card tray, ejector pin, and a silicone TPU case for the back panel. As you can see, it's not fully transparent. We got this slight grayish blackish tint on it. The Realme 11 Pro in Astral Black. Here we got 67 watt SuperVOOC charger and a USB Type-C cable. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Realme 11 Pro, the smartphone, the case for the back panel, quick start guide, user manuals, 67 watt charger, a USB Type-C cable and a SIM card tray ejector pin. The Realme 11 Pro in Astral Black. So let's switch on the device. So now I will go through the setup process and after that we will have a detailed look on our Realme 11 Pro here. So now we are done with the setup process and we are good to go with our Realme 11 Pro. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side we got this huge screen with 93% screen to body ratio. So the bottom and top bezels are very thin and the side bezels are negligible because of the curved edges we got on Realme 11 Pro. And because of these minimal bezels and curved edges, the Realme 11 Pro looks very premium from every angle. At the bottom we got the dual nano SIM card slot. It does not come with a dedicated memory card slot or a hybrid slot. We got the primary microphone, USB Type-C port, the speaker grill. At the top we got the secondary microphone, a speaker grill, so the Realme 11 Pro comes with stereo speaker setup. On the right side we got the volume rockers and the power button. The frame is really thin because of the curved edges on the front as well as on the back. On the left side there is nothing provided. And talking about the back, on this Astral Black color variant, we got the sandblasted back panel. One of the most highlighted feature of Realme 11 Pro or Pro Plus is the beige and green color options that are designed by the ex-Gucci designer. But that's not the case with the Astral Black here. It is more classic in terms of appearance and look. And if you find the other two color variants a bit more flashy, then you can go with this black color variant of Realme 11 Pro. So on the back side we got this huge camera module that comes with 100 megapixel primary camera branding. We got LED flash and this CD-like design that looks beautiful and it is quite eye-catching as well. The Realme 11 Pro weighs just 183 grams, so it is quite lightweight, and because of the curved edges it provides very nice and solid grip while holding the device in hand. And because of the thin bezels and huge screen to body ratio, you will be able to use the device with one hand without facing any issue. It comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied on it, but there is no Gorilla Glass protection on the display of Realme 11 Pro, and it does not come with any kind of IP certification for water or dust resistance as well. So these are few things we are totally missing on our Realme 11 Pro, as well as a memory card slot and a 3.5mm jack. Now talking about the display, Realme 11 Pro comes with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 1 billion color reproduction, HDR10 plus support, 120Hz refresh rate, 93% screen to body ratio that provides 395 ppi. And because of all of these, the display quality of Realme 11 Pro is brilliant. It is very sharp, the colors are vibrant, it looks gorgeous, and the viewing angles are very nice as well. The maximum peak brightness can go as high as 950 nits, so you won't feel any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. It also comes with O1 Ultra Vision engine that gives you the option to enhance the video color as well as turn on the bright HDR video mode. And when it comes to refresh rate, you can select between high, standard and auto select, and as you can see, the display is very smooth at 120Hz here. Now talking about the software side, Realme 11 Pro comes with Realme UI 4.0, Android 13, out of 256GB storage, 22.8GB is preoccupied. The device comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor, we got 5000 mAh battery, 67W charging, and it comes with RAM expansion feature as well, using which you can add additional 8GB of RAM on your Realme 11 Pro. The Realme UI is quite feature rich and it comes with lots of Realme applications as well. So we got weather, music, calculator, app market, phone manager, we got plenty of Google applications as well. Under tools you will find some nice useful applications, and here it comes with some bloatware, but the good part is that if you do not want to use any of these, you can easily uninstall them from your Realme 11 Pro. So it is a good thing that Realme is providing you the option to remove all of these bloatware if you're not interested in having these on your device. And once again, as you can see, the user interface is very smooth and everything feels super smooth. Now talking about the camera, on the front side we got 16 megapixel front facing camera that is capable of recording 1080p resolution videos at 30 fps, while on the back we got 100 megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization, face detection, autofocus, and it is capable of recording 4K resolution videos at 30 fps. So there is no ultra wide camera or a dedicated telephoto lens on Realme 11 Pro, so it would be nice if Realme could add any of these two on this device, because without them it does not sound like Pro device. So if you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So it comes with photo mode where you will find the AI mode as well that enhances the scene, usually saturates the color a bit, and then you got the option to select the HDR. If you go to video, you can see that at 1080p we can record up to 60 fps, but if you select the 4K mode, then you can record only 30 fps videos. It comes with tracking feature and we got the stabilization as well. Then we got the dedicated street mode that mimics the 26mm and 52mm lenses, and then we got the dedicated night mode that also comes with its own pro mode here. And then if we go to the portrait mode, this is the combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. We got the dedicated 100 megapixel imaging mode as well, where you can take multiple photos in one take. And then if you go to the more section, here you can see that it comes with a pro mode, panorama, movie mode is there. We got slow motion, time lapse, long exposure, dual view video, text scanner, starry mode, group portrait, and tilt shift as well. So we got plenty of camera based features here on Realme 11 Pro. So we will have a look on all of these in our detailed camera review and detailed review of Realme 11 Pro. But at the first glance it is looking pretty solid. The only things I'm missing here are a dedicated telephoto lens and an ultra wide lens. Overall, Realme 11 Pro is a pretty solid smartphone in its price segment. In nearly every aspect it comes with its own pros and cons. Some impressive things are huge screen to body ratio, premium looking curved edges, in-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speaker setup, huge 5000 mAh battery with 67W fast charging, a very minimal looking back panel in terms of the black color variant, and a very unique and beautiful looking back panels in terms of beige or the green color options. Few drawbacks of this device is that it does not come with a memory card slot, there is no IP certification, there is no Corning Gorilla Glass, and there are no telephoto lens or ultra wide angle lens on this device. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos like the gaming review, benchmarking test, comparison with other smartphones, camera performance test, etc. will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.